Hello, welcome to my tutorials on how to learn Unreal if you already know Unity and vice versa. How does the equivalent of start and begin play work between Unity and Unreal? A start method in Unity or begin play node in Unreal is used to initialize variables and set up gameplay and code only when the program is first run, before it starts updating constantly. Or, if a new instance of an object is created while the game was running, then the start or begin play will run once on that object as soon as it enters the scene. In Unity, this is achieved by typing your command within the start method of a script. Every time a new Unity script is created, you should have the start method already created for you. If your script doesn't have a start method, you can easily create one. Just make sure your cursor is within the curly braces of your class. Type void, then start with a capital S, add a pair of parentheses, and then finally add some opening and closing curly braces below it. Code editors like Visual Studio will often add the parentheses and curly braces automatically for you, as you can see. As an example, we can print Hello World to the console on only the first frame of our game in Unity by typing print, open parentheses, Hello World, and close it off with a semicolon. Make sure it's just within this start method. In Unreal, we use the begin play event node in a blueprint. Like Unity, these are already created for you when you create a new blueprint. Notice that this begin play node is grayed out. That's just Unreal telling you that this is a very common node to use, but you haven't done anything with it yet. If you can't see the begin play node, simply right-click in the event graph, search for begin play, and add it in. To do the equivalent of printing Hello World in Unreal, we can drag off the begin play event node, search for print string, and add Hello World into the print string node. Let's look at a quick example from each of these. In Unity, we just need to make sure that we have a game object in our scene. I'm just going to create an empty one here, and a script attached to it. Now we should be able to see Hello World printed in the console only once as soon as the game is run. Let's run the game, look at the console, there we've got Hello World printed once. In Unreal, we can just drop the blueprint that we created straight into the scene. In this case, the blueprint's called BP_tutorial. This is the one that's got the, if we open this up and I show you, this has the event begin play and print string. We can just drop this straight into the scene to make sure it's active. And when we run it, there we go, we can see Hello World printed at once at the top. And that's it. That's the equivalent of Unity's start method to Unreal's begin play event node.